Hi, I'm Mondulay, the sales manager here at Prosperon Networks. I'm very excited to invite you to our upcoming webinar, Supercharging SolarWinds with Just-in-Time Network Automation. In this webinar, we will be exploring how to reduce mean time to resolution by integrating SolarWinds with NetBrain's adaptive network automation platform. Learn how to go beyond static network diagrams and simplify network documentation by automatically creating dynamic network maps with overlaying information from your network protocols, providing you with critical IT data when it's needed, and contextualized to the task at hand. Discover how to accelerate troubleshooting by automating diagnostic steps at the time an issue occurs. Automate time-consuming and repetitive data collection and analysis tasks to quickly pinpoint the root cause of network problems. Explore how to streamline critical IT tasks using workflow integrations with your existing ticketing and monitoring solutions, providing complete end-to-end visibility in a single pane of glass. A senior engineer will be demonstrating the integration and benefits between SolarWinds and NetBrain in a live demo environment and will be answering all of our questions. I look forward to seeing you on Thursday, the 8th of July. Thank you.